Hey, what's up guys? This is Lucas at Sports Advantage. I'm back to talking to you guys about accessory movements that we do here. Last week I talked to you about the push-up. Two of the ones that I showed you were doing an eccentric push-up to the floor and coming up on our knees, as well as a stability ball push-up just to try to create a little bit more difficult stimulus. Today I'm going to talk to you about the hip hinge. The hip hinge is a pattern of movement which occurs throughout many different lifts here in the weight room. One example is a deadlift, another is a squat. It occurs in both of the Olympic lifts, in clean and the snatch. It occurs in single leg variations like a single leg RDL or a double leg RDL. So I'm going to show you. So before we have an athlete do any sort of a load with the movement, first we teach them how to do it. To start off, hip hinging can be done with a variety of stances. Just for the sake of today, I'm going to show you with an equal stance and a bilateral stance. So first thing I'm going to do, we always do the hip hinge with a bent knee. We're not trying to stress the athlete enough in a straight leg position, just more or less because we're trying to keep them safe. So first movement, I'm going to break at the knee, and then as I push my hips backwards, I'm going to try to maintain an upright position with my spine. So I'm going to come down, break at the hips, start to push my hips backwards, creating tension in the hamstring, also while maintaining my chest upright. So I'm going to keep coming down, keep coming down. I'm going to hinge until I feel restriction within my posterior chain, and then I'm going to squeeze my glutes up from my heels as well as the middle of my shoe. So to put some weight in there, this is a RDL, so the Romanian deadlift. I'm going to slightly break my knee, push my hip back, just try to maintain tension within the posterior chain, get to the bottom, and squeeze up. Again, bend the knee, break the hips, slide straight down, and come back up. So a couple good cues that we use. If you're in the right position, as you come down, your hands should be very, very close to the front of your legs, if not touching. Or if you use a barbell, the closer that the bar is to you, the easier the movement's going to be. As we work away from our body, the movement's going to get more difficult. So if I start here and slide right down my legs, it's going to be significantly easier than if I hold the kettlebell out away from me and then try to get into that position. So if you have any questions about the hip hinge or how to do it, just shoot us a message here on Instagram or comment on the video, as well as checking the video out on YouTube. Thanks for watching.